We are in Jongdo, 4,600 meters. Finally, we complete our third Ekora. First of all, I want to say congratulations both of you, Atul and Netra. So, you guys, how did you feel in Dolmala Pass? You did the 5,700 meters without any problem. Please, Atul.
Dolmala Pass, it was a bit difficult, and we saw quite a few people taking oxygen and everything, but when Mahadev is there, nothing is impossible. Krishna helped a lot as well. So he was so helpful all the way down from where we started from Yamdwar all the way to the end of the Kora. He was very helpful. Thank you.
Netraji, same question.
Overall, this journey was very, 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 very difficult, I would say. Thank you to Krishna as well. Day one was quite easy, but somehow my acidity chipped in, popped in. Day two, we begin at 6:30, kind of empty stomach. So please make sure you eat something and then leave. Dolmala Pass, overall, you see these rocks here? Yes. So it's kind of rocky area. It's not that easy. And just imagine these rocky areas is not like this. It's like this. So you have to literally climb up the steep slopes. And I was on horse, but at times there were certain patches where we were informed that we had to get down from horse. For us, that climbing up the steps was very difficult. Then of course climbing down is without horse, whatever that 10-11 kilometers is climbing down. Then around 6 kilometers. But there again my low sugar popped in, and courtesy my horse walas, so please don't depend on them. Whatever sugar you need, always make sure that you keep some juices or something in your purse, always on your body. Don't rely on them at all, because they are always running away from you as soon as you get down from the horse. I don't know about the porters, but at least the horse walas are not with you. Secondly, Dolmala Pass coming down, he is like a godsend. So when I was about to get dizzy because of low sugar, somehow he just came there, I don't know from where, and I told him that if you have some juice, please make some arrangement. I literally need some sugar right now. And he was not having juice, so he went all the way to look for the bag from the porter, which was way away, like 1 or 2 kilometers away. He ran there. I was walking slowly, but somehow we met again. He removed all the stuff from my bag and he found the juices, and then he gave it to me, which was very helpful. Then he held my hand, and then we were like walking very gently down there. Again, Dolmala Pass is very challenging. If you have any health issues, just make sure that you really have some physical activities done way ahead of time. I did not do it, frankly speaking. I was walking on and off like half an hour to 1 hour, but I was pretty sure I was on the horse, so I did not take my walking physical activity seriously. But if you are planning to skip the horse, make sure you do your physical activities.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
You want more?
Okay. Just last thing, I really wanted to thank Krishna. He's been very supportive throughout the journey. He's been very, very helpful. Thank you to Atul as well. And thank you to our guide who is holding the phone right now.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Finally, we completed Kora.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Om Namah.